Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 12 November 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 14 and name of the chapter is Community Services. Okay, so let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, in the previous video we have discussed all the topics which are given in this chapter. After that we discuss the keywords of this chapter. So in today's video, student, we will start with the book exercises of the chapter. Okay, so all of you open page number 85. As we know that we complete the book exercise in the book only. Okay, and in class 4 copy we write the question answer of the chapter and we will draw the diagrams. So take out your book, open page number 85, take one pencil and you note down the exercises in your book. So let's start with question number A. Question number A. Question number A. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answers. So question number 1. First of all, I read the question for you. He is the head of the panchayat. First option is given commissioner, B is the sarpanch, C is the inspector and D is the teacher. So the first question is he is the head of the panchayat. Option number A, commissioner. Option B, sarpanch. Option C, inspector. Option D, teacher. So he is the head of the panchayat. Okay, commissioner is not a right answer. Inspector, it is related to police job. Teacher, the person who teaches you, that is the teacher. So he is the head of the panchayat. As we know that, student, in our country we have 3 level of governments. Okay, in our country we have 3 level of a government. Okay, so these are 3 level of a government. First is the central, second level of government is the state, and third is the self local government, that is in the villages, and that is known as gram panchayat. So he is the head of the gram panchayat. So who is the head of the gram panchayat? So the right answer is sarpanch, or in the place of sarpanch if it is given pradhan, then also the answer is right. Both you can say the head of the gram panchayat, you can say sarpanch also, or you can say pradhan also. Okay, Next question number 2. Second question. A place where students study after school level. Study after school level. Okay. So options are given here. College, option B, office, option C, institute, and option D is ATM. So student, a place where student study after school means after passing class 12. So for the higher study, where the student go for the higher study. First option is given college, second is the office, institute and ATM. Okay, so a place where student study after the school level, that is the college. That is a college. For higher education they go to the college. Okay, so the right answer is option number A, that is college. Question number 3. He or she is an elected member of the municipal committee. Option A, corporator, option B, lectures, option C, counselor, option D, MLA. So let you explain municipal committee. When we are talking about the municipal committee, so these municipal committees are in small towns and cities. ये जो municipal committee होती है बेटा, ये small towns या cities में होती है, और जो municipal corporations होती है ये big cities में या metro cities में होती हैं. Okay, so he or she is an elected member. तो जब भी elections होते हैं municipal committee के, तो the area is divided into wards and from each ward the members are elected from each ward, and after these members choose one head. Okay, and that head is known as the chairman. In municipal committee, the head of the municipal committee is known as the chairman. And what are the members who are elected from the ward? The members are known as councillors. The members of municipal committee, they are known as a councillors. So option number C, this is the right answer, councillor. Corporator is not a right answer, lecturer is not right answer, MLA is not. So what is the right answer? Right answer is the counselor. The services provided for the welfare, the services provided for the welfare and convenience of the public. Option A, private services. Option B, public services. Option C, mass services. Option D, all of these. So the services provided for the welfare and convenience of the public, that is the public services. Okay, that type of services are known as public services. Now question number 5. The government that looks after the important matters of the country, that is option number A, central. Option B, state. Option C, municipal. Option D, panchayat. So the government that looks after the important matter of the country. So the government which look after the important matter of the country, first option, second option is given state. So state government, as we know that our country is divided into 28 states. So every state has their own chief minister and they look after the welfare of the people living in that area. Municipal, if you talking about the municipal committees, then these are in a small towns and cities. And when you are talking about the municipal corporation, so municipal corporation, they are in the big city, or you can say metro city. Panchayat, so these panchayat is in the every village have their gram panchayat. Okay, so this type of service is present in the villages. Every villages have their own gram panchayat. Now question is, the government that looks after the important matter of the country, for whole country, which government is looking the important matter? That is the central government. So central is the right answer. Central government look out the important matters of the country. So student, we have completed question number first, that is tick the correct answer. Now we will start with second question, that is fill in the blanks. Question number B, fill in the blanks. The Gram Panchayat is elected for dash years. The Gram Panchayat is elected for dash years. So in every villages they have the Gram Panchayat, and this Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. Okay, every villages have their own Gram Panchayat, student, and this Gram Panchayat is elected for how many years? That is for 5 years. Is it clear? Every village has a dash to organize. Every village has a dash to organize the facilities. So every village has a dash to organize the facilities. That is the Gram Panchayat. So clear? Every village has a Gram Panchayat to organize the facilities. Okay. So next, the head of the Gram Panchayat is called it dash. So head of the Gram Panchayat is called it dash. So student, the head of the Gram Panchayat is called it Sarpanch. Every village has their own Gram Panchayat, and the member of Gram Panchayat varies from 7 to 17 because it depends upon the population of the village. ठीक है, ये किस पे डिपेंड करता है कि विलेज की क्या पॉपुलेशन है. ठीक है, सो 7 मिनिमम होने चाहिए, मैक्सिमम 70 मेंबर्स भी हो सकते हैं. एंड दे वर्क फॉर 5 years, and after every 5 years there is a election in the villages for the Gram Panchayat, and the head of the Gram Panchayat, out of that members which has elected, the head of the Gram Panchayat is known as a Sarpanch, or student you can say it as a Pradhan also. Thank you student.